Hello everyone, I'm starting a new module today and this is an introduction. The title of the module is How to Transfer Wealth to Your Children Successfully. Many parents have labored hard to gather money and to gather riches and to gather wealth. But the problem now is how they can transfer this wealth to their children. I can also call this what we're looking at raising wealthy wealth builders, not heirs, or from wealth to legacy. How to transfer wealth successfully. Building generational wealth that lasts. Teach them to multiply wealth. So, any of the title will go for what I'm talking about. I'm going to take it module by module. Module 1, I'm going to talk about the wealth transfer problem. Why many children abandon their parents' wealth and businesses. In module 2, I'm going to talk about wealth versus money, understanding the difference between giving money and transferring wealth. In module 3, I am going to talk about raising the right mindset, how to build a wealth builder mentally in children. Then in module 4, I'll be talking to you about start early or struggle later, the importance of early financial exposure and training. In module 5, we're going to be looking at teaching skills over given assets, while skills outperform inheritance. In module 6, I'm going to be showing you involving children in the process. If you are going to transfer wealth to your children, you must involve them. How to gradually introduce them into business and financial decisions. In module 7, we shall be talking about the danger of entitlement, why some children lose everything and how to prevent it. Then in module 8, I'm going to be telling you about systems, not just assets. You need systems, not just assets. Building structures that outlive you, business systems, governance, and so on and so forth. In module 9, I'm going to be showing you communication and the family vision. How do they interrelate? How to align family values, purpose, and long-term goals. Maybe your family even does not have value. You don't have a clear-cut plan and goal that if you call any child of your family today and say, what is your family goal? They cannot say. Then by the time you get to module 9, this module 9, you understand what I'm talking about and you will know how to go about it. In module 10, we're going to be talking about let them earn it. You create opportunities for children to prove responsibility. Then in module 11, we're going to be looking at mentorship and exposure. Why external influence, mentors, networks is critical. Because your children are not going to live with you alone forever. They are going to go out. So you have to let them be exposed while you supervise the exposure. In module 12, we're going to talk about transition strategy. How to gradually hand over control without losing everything. In module 13, I will show you handling resistance from children, what to do when they are not interested. In module 14, I'm going to talk about preserving versus growing wealth, teaching children not just to maintain, but to multiply. Then in module 15, we're going to be looking at legacy beyond money, values, discipline, faith, and character as true inheritance. Then I have optional final module, which is very powerful, which I'm going to call module 16, the ultimate wealth formula. You learn, you earn, you save, you invest, then you multiply, and then you transfer the wealth. The bonus hook for everyone is if your children cannot manage wealth, your wealth will not survive your children. So this is how it's going to go in this module on how to teach your children to multiply wealth. I believe that you are going to gain value. Come along with me from module 1 to module 16 and you are going to be glad you did. I will see you in the modules as they start. Bye for now.